After that, that only passes in unit testing. After that, we send that to quality server. If there also it passes also. After that, we send to pre-production server, and then there also it qualifies. We send to production. That's it, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, Mohan. This is Mohan. See,
Yeah, raise your voice.
hello.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, fine. So end user got one error, like he's not getting the list of GL accounts that defined under FS00 while posting through FB50 T code. So he raised ticket to FICO consultant, so asking the reason why he is not able to find the GL codes. So once FICO consultant received the ticket, so first he makes sure that that GL code has been created, that the GL code has been linked to the correct company code or not. First thing. Second thing, that company code, under company code FB50, whether the GL is appearing or not. Third thing, he has to see there will be two drop down lists. One is global list, one is national list, personal list. If he is searching under personal list, then he has to switch to global list. Then only he can see the GL codes. That is a solution I will be given by FICO consultants.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Hi, sir. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
hi. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. This is Subaramuthu. So, user raised a ticket through Jira. So, they assign the priority base. The team assigned to me the ticket. So, in that ticket, there is an issue. The user posted the document without the business area. So once you post the business area, we can't edit the document. So for that, we need to reverse the document and post the new entity for the solution.
Okay. Next.
Good evening, sir. This is Anjaneyulu.
Yeah.
Actually the end user error is which priority was first is choose the priority P1, P2 or P3, and
Okay.
this error actually functional or technical. First choose that one. If in case technical error, we choose transfer to the technical above person. Then your finance SAP consultant, if you solve the priority base,
Okay.
that is, I think.
Next.
Hi sir, good evening.
Okay.
The user got a issue. First you can raise the defect in the ticketing tool. Then ticketing tool team will be analyze the issue, this is the which module issue. Then you can analyze that module. The module will trigger the ticket. That manager or any team will get any tickets and send to the consultant will play that the analyze the defect. This is the which priority defect will be P1, P2. You can analyze. Then it is the issue. What is the issue? Then you can analyze and you can try any changes required. You can once try to sandbox. Then again confirmation to manager. You can changes required. Then you can change to the develop. Then it is the once you can check it is configuration, then it is okay. Then you can move to the development to quality server through TR. Is backend team will be basis team will be working. Then quality system is working get end users. like end users will be working UAT, user acceptance testing. Then quality system is also okay. Then it is moved to the pre-production system. Then again you can check the it is all is okay. Then finally you can move to the production system. In production system we can check the end user. Once it all is okay, then it is the mail. It is the confirmation through users. Then you can close the defect.
Okay. Next. Anyone?
Hi, sir. This is Madhavi.
Yeah, Madhuri.
Sir, actually, once implementation is done, so end user can start the business day-to-day business transactions. While end user posting the day-to-day business transactions, they get some errors. So they expected support from the IT consultants. So that is the main aim of the support project. So while doing the business transactions, when they get some errors, so they can take the screenshot and they raised a ticket through the ticketing tool. So once he uploaded the trigger to the triggered and that mail to the project team, then project manager assigns to the ticket to particular respective module of the consultant. So after that, we will consult the end user to what type of error is that, like that only. So if it is not the configuration or customization ticket, so we can ask them to share their screen. If it is possible to resolve that, we will resolve that on mail or Skype or TeamViewer or Zoom meetings app. If it is configuration part, consultant have to work on development server and followed by the all testings, and we'll get the confirmation from the end user. So we will move on to the production team. So that's all about, sir.
Okay, next. Anyone? Anyone?
Hi sir, my name is Savindra.
Yeah.
Sir, first of all, as a FICO consultant, first we think what type of error. So we we find out the error. So, say for example, it is an individual mistake or configuration error or performance error. We find out this error, sir. Say for example, end user entered one date format, sir, like 12th sir, 12th, 5th, 15th, 19th, and 2, sir. As the Indian standard date, as the correct date, 15th days, 15th, 12th, 19th, and 2, sir. So this is a small mistake. We find this error, our ends only, sir. That's all, sir.
Okay, next.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam.
I'm Chandana.
Yeah,
As
madam.
a FICO consultant or supporting project, after the end user has raised ticket, first we need to identify what type of error it was, sir. Whether the error was configuration error or it was technical error or the mistake was from end user side. If the mistake was technical error, we could resolve the issue by taking the help of an ABAPer. Or if the mistake was related to configuration, as a consultant, we go back to the configuration steps, find where we done the mistake and rectify it, do the testing process and send back to quality server and then pre-production, and finally it will go to production server, sir. That's all, sir.
Okay, great. Next. Anyone? Anyone? Yeah.
Hello,
Yes, yes, yes.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, please go ahead. Yeah, చెప్పండి త్వరగా. I think you are in mute. Okay, so just come out from mute and say something. Okay, guys, very nice. Almost all of the people. So all of the people. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, explanation. Hello, మాట్లాడతారా లేకపోతే ఆఫ్లో పెట్టుకుంటారు?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. చెప్పండి.
Sir, this is Raja, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we got any tickets, sir, for end user side. We can first of all analyze what type of they're facing error. We can
Okay.
understand this type of error like technical error, non-technical error. So if in case first time this error facing, we don't know understanding that error, we can ask to superior. So we need to that some given to input. We can try to implement that input. If in case it not solved out this problem, we can in case configuration change or anything change, we discuss about the our bugs. So after that, if there solution given, after that we can implementation. If in case configuration or anything, so testing after that pre-production and for user side some leads is there, sir. So we need inform to that lead. So please check once. Thereafter checking, he accepted. After that, permanently that production server, we can that problem permanently solve, sir.
Okay, super. Next. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. బాగా రీసెర్చ్ చేశారు. సో అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 10 మెంబర్స్ పైన చెప్పారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్.